Hi, welcome to Anne's Digital Kitchen. I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney, and today we're going to be talking about cooking with spices. Spices are a fabulous way to flavor food, and it's easier than most people think to do it. They're also a great way to help chemo patients overcome the metallic flavor that most get into their mouths during treatment. I went through it, and I found spices were a fantastic way to get through it. They are also a great way to change up the flavors of veggies and lean meats so that they don't get boring. Chicken breast, you can change it with spices. Now, they don't have to be hot. That's a thing that people always think. There are many sweet spices that have strong antioxidant properties, like turmeric, for example, as do cumin and coriander too. Mild curry powder is a great intro to using spices separately. And we'll be trending mild today too with the flavors. And yes, I admit, I may add a little cayenne to some of the dishes, but I like it. But it's optional, and if you don't like the heat, don't use it. Stick with me, and you'll see where and how to add both whole spices and ground spices during cooking to get the most flavor out of them. You'll see how easy it is. Stay with me, look and learn.